Hey class, so in some of your seesaw activities this week, you are going to be learning about habitats. Habitats are where animals live, okay? So all the animals live in different type of habitats. One of the habitats is a rainforest, okay? So we're gonna learn a little bit about a rainforest by reading this book by National Geographic Kids, okay? There's your first animal, the cheetah. Gleaming green leaves, deep dark shade, hot steamy air, soft ground beneath your feet. Welcome to the rainforest. Isn't that pretty with all the green? From lemon-colored snakes to lime-colored lizards, from electric blue butterflies to petal pink bugs, rainforests are full of amazing animals. Check those animals out. Slither. On the dark and shady forest floor, huge pythons slip through fallen twigs and leaves. Enormous tarantulas tiptoe across roots. Poison dart frogs hop like jumping jewels. I don't like spiders, so this is not my favorite page. Okay. Sleek tigers slink through shadows. The forest floor is the bottom level of the rainforest there. Shaggy bears shuffle along, looking for fruit and bugs to eat. So there's more animals in the rainforest. Swoosh! Big bats sweep through leafy shrubs and twisting vines. Billions of bugs creep, crawl, flit, and flutter. There's all kinds of bugs and bats. In the understory, tree kangaroos climb, leopards lounge, and lizards leap. Goodness, that's a tongue twister. The understory is the level of shrubs, vines, and small trees above the forest floor. So they're up a little bit higher, kind of in the trees and the shrubs. Roar! High up in the canopy, howler monkeys whoop and roar. Macaws screech and toucans croak. So do you see the birds? The canopy level is above the understory. It contains the leaves and branches of giant trees. So the monkeys swing in the trees and the birds are flying through the trees. Here, hummingbirds zip from flower to flower, sparkling in the sunshine. Acrobatic monkeys swing from vine to vine. Red-eyed tree frogs leap from branch to branch. Mossy-furred sloths hang still as statues. There's the sloth and your bird and your monkey and your frog. All of those are in the rainforest. Split, splat, splatter, boom! A thunderstorm moves in. Rain pours onto the canopy and beats against the leaves. It fills the cup-shaped plants called bromeliads with water that creatures will drink and live in. It rolls down the tree trunks and drips off the vines onto the dark and shady forest floor. Rain falls nearly every day. All the plants and animals in the rainforest, from orchids to owls to orangutans, depend upon the rain. So they get rain every single day. Can you imagine? Drip, drop. Rain is what makes the rainforest so rich and full of life. And it makes beautiful rainbows. Wouldn't that be pretty to see? Rainforest layer cake. A rainforest is like a cake with 4 layers stacked atop each other. Each layer or level is a different neighborhood with different kinds of animals living in it. Which layer would you most like to explore? Remember, the forest floor is the ground. The understory is kind of where the like small trees and bushes are. The canopy is like way up in the trees, the leaves and the branches of the trees. And then the emergent layer is the fourth layer. It consists of the very tallest treetops, which poke above the canopy here and there. So it's these that are really high. So that's about your rainforest. There's so many cool animals that live in it. You saw some of them. Bugs, spiders, snakes, bears. Okay, so all kinds of animals. The rainforest is a cool habitat, and those animals need that water to survive. That's why it's called the rainforest. They get lots of rain. So hope you enjoyed this book, and I will talk to you guys later.